When I first started fishing, I thought it was just a fun way to pass the time. However, I soon realized it holds a much deeper significance in my life. It has taught me the true meaning of patience and how to stay motivated even when things are slow. Most importantly, being on the water helps me control my temper and find a sense of inner calm. There's nothing like the rush of that first strike on the line. It keeps me pumped and motivated to see what's waiting under the surface. It's taught me to just slow down and keep my cool, literally. Instead of getting stressed or losing my temper over the little things, I just take that energy to the water. It started as a hobby to pass the time, but now it's my favorite way to reset. It's just me, the rod, and the thrill of the next big catch.
Kaya na naman ng pusa. Ay. Ina-upload mo yan, sir.
Pero nahuli ako yan, madaling araw na kami pupunta ng dagat. Tapos tuwa-tuwa na ako pag nagdali ng masarap yung ganito.
Uy! Pare-parehos. Delete. Ilan na? Mga 10. Uy! Pusa. Yung nakaray, nakita namin dyan na nakadali ng pusit eh. Bakit pusit? Dapat medyo mababa rin.
Saan daw? Kaya, ang dami nila ha, mga
Mga gutom. Gutom. Mga bilis agad nakahagis pa.
Kuha tayo dyan sa ano. Anong luto mo niyan, sir?
Size again. Props na naman. Alam ko kung mabigat. Ayos. Ayun na nga. Etong jackpot Laki, tingnan mo. Woo! Nalo!
Natin dito.
Uwi na! Ayos! Yawa!
O pre, kamay mo, kamay.
Laban na kayo. Ang dali din. Jackpot.
Uy, ano pre?
Yaman? Ali, tatlo. Nakakabuli pa. Woo! Good size lahat to. Isang batuan, tatlo. Ayos. Tuwa yung pusa. Naduwan. Naduwan para sa pusa. Grabe. Manly. Huli mo.
Ito na lang, sumasabit to. Hirap.
Kala ko malaki eh. Makahatak ng rad ko halos hilahin yung rad ko eh. Dalawa. Kulang